what brought you to wine?
We kind of come from two different sides of it, I suppose. Bee is really rooted in hard science. So by day, Bee is a aerospace materials engineer, and I come from a hospitality background. I ran beverage programs in restaurants on the East Coast for a long time, and that kind of maybe naturally progressed towards wanting to get into production, and we started coming out here a number of years ago to get a taste of the production side, and really fell in love with it really quickly, and came back more and more each year. And in 2015 we made we still definitely make a laughable amount of wine, but in 2015 we made a tiny bit of wine, like a single barrel of wine. And then we were bi-coastal this whole time because we were in Philadelphia, just coming out for harvests, and that's where we met in Philly. And in 2016, I had left my job in Philadelphia, and I lived in a tent behind the winery from the middle of July through Thanksgiving, and Bee came out for a really good portion of that too. She took all of her vacation.
That I'd been saving up for years and years and years.
And spent it all to live in a tent with me behind the winery, and to basically fund our first vintage. And while we were here for the 2016 vintage, we really decided, we should make a go at it. And so we went back to Philadelphia and we packed up our stuff and
sold most of it.
Yeah, tied up loose ends and put our dogs in the car and drove across the country. And so it's interesting because we're going to be on our fourth vintage this year, but we've only actually lived here full time since last May.
Wow.
Yeah. So long time coming kind of thing. Yeah.
You have a good name for a wine.
So we're predominantly